Hello and a very warm welcome to Edinburgh. I'm David, a local tour guide who's been lucky enough to call the city home for over 50 years. My private walking tour of Edinburgh's beautiful old town is a great first introduction to Edinburgh, especially for those who are short on time and would prefer a more personal tour with a local. Your tour will be completely private to just you and your family or party, and on it you'll learn all about the history of the city, see amazing buildings and monuments, hear lots about the city's famous characters, along with some fascinating stories from Edinburgh's old town. It's very much a personal tour with a local guide. All my private tours are fixed price and include up to 6 people, which is fantastic value for money. They last 3 hours and can be booked directly on this website. Please don't hesitate to get in touch if you have any questions, and here's some footage of the places you'll see on the Old Town tour with me. I hope to welcome you to the city very soon. Thanks for watching.
Would not bring me back again to that accursed island. The worst dreams that...